Let me show you how to set up and install printer on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra, and also how to print as well. So first, to install the printer driver, you have to actually go in the settings, click connections, and click more connection settings here. And you see you have printing option here. Okay, and we have to actually download basically, click here and download basically the plugin needed for your printer. So you see we have the most popular printers here, over here. Also, I think if you go simply in the Play Store, you can also maybe even download some more printer service essentially. So you see it's literally from the Play Store special section there. And once that is installed, so if you want to maybe print some document, for example, from your notes, so open the document and basically you see you have these three dots here. You can click and you see you have this printer button here. Okay, to prepare, and over here click this and your printer will appear basically once it's connected, either wirelessly or also I think you can also connect with wired method. But if you have basically like the old style USB, basically you'll need adapter like this, which essentially converts a Type-C to like regular USB. Then you can plug it in basically your printer and it should appear here and you'll be able to print from it essentially. Okay, like